Growing a team globally shouldn't be complicated. Meet Deel Hire, a better, faster way to find, verify, and onboard anyone, anywhere. With Deel Hire, you can discover the best hiring path for each role and get support every step that follows. From sourcing and tracking candidates to verification and compliant onboarding. All in one place, all in one flow for any worker, anywhere. Let me show you how it works. First, find the right person. Create the job description and instantly start sourcing candidates. Search directly in integrated talent marketplaces or request curated candidates from expert recruitment partners. From there, everything happens in one place. Review candidates, book interviews, send offers. Once a candidate accepts, onboarding starts immediately. With Deel, teams go from offer to fully onboarded worker in under 2 days. Here's a quick breakdown. Number 1, generate, send, and sign compliant contracts in one go. Number 2, need extra confidence? Automatically run background checks or schedule human-led verification to protect against fraud, proxy workers, and misrepresentation. Number 3, equip your hires immediately with ready-to-work devices automatically shipped to more than 130 countries. And when onboarding is complete, hires flow directly into HR and payroll. No data re-entries, no handoffs. Just direct employees, EORs, POs, and contractors, all around the world, all managed in one platform. Ready to make hiring simple? Deel helps you find and hire globally, quickly, compliantly, and without barriers.